Good evening. I hope you all are doing well today. So today we are going to make fish fry. I've taken here Rohu fish or Katla fish, that means Catla fish. You can take any fish. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use for fish fry recipe today. So you can get the list of the ingredients from the video description box. And you can also use any fish which you want. I have taken here around 500 grams of fish. Okay friends, so let's start making fish fry recipe. So first take pudina, that means mint, few coriander leaves, some green chili. You can increase or decrease green chili depending on your taste, and squeeze half lemon into it. Also add ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. I'm using here Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder for the better color. You can also use normal chili powder, or if you want to use, you can use any food color. But I try to avoid use any food color. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and around 1 teaspoon of salt into it. You can increase the quantity of salt as per your taste or decrease it. Add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, that means maida flour, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Now let's grind it to fine paste. After grinding, take out this paste in a bowl. Now keep it aside till further usage. Now take a bowl and take out the fish pieces into it. And first wash the pieces well. Now take our grinded paste and put this into the fish pieces. Now coat the fish pieces well. After coating the fish pieces well, leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, or you can also leave it to marinate in the refrigerator for overnight. The more you marinate, the more spices will be absorbed by the fish pieces, and fish fry will taste more yummy and more delicious. Now take a kadai, that means wok, and take enough oil so that we can deep fry the fish pieces. Once the oil is good hot, now add the fish pieces. We will fish fry the pieces in batches, and now let these fish pieces fry till they become golden in color. Fish pieces and leaving the oil behind. So we have transferred our fish fry pieces to the serving plate. Serve them hot with the sliced onions and vertically sliced green chilies, as well as few lemon wedges. Also you can sprinkle some chaat masala or also red chili powder if you want it more spicy. So guys, the fish fry is very easy to cook and very yummy to taste, and you can have it as a standalone starter item, and also you can have it as a side dish with roti, chapati, rice. Or if you like our fish fry recipe video, then please do like our video, and also please do share it, and also please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again very soon with a new dish, with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye, and take care of yourself, and have a good night. And thank you for watching our fish fry recipe video.